Hi, come, follow me. I'm going to take you through this lovely clinic that we have just transformed. And here you go. Hi, I'm Madhu Ranjit Singh, co founder, Inner Space Interior Designing and Consultation, your interior designing company with 2 awards in the kitty and serving since 18 plus years. Today, I'm going to take you through this beautiful, lovely, sweet space, which is commercial. It's a physiotherapy clinic of Dr. Shweta Rao. Uh, 600 स्क्वायर फीट जगह मिली थी हमें एंड मैं वैसे भी प्री एंड पोस्ट दिखाने वाली हूँ एट अ लेटर स्टेज। अभी जो है ये जगह बहुत ही कंजस्टेड थी और बहुत छोटी जगह थी एंड जो लिस्ट ऑफ रिक्वायरमेंट्स थी वो बहुत सारी थी। सो हमने एकोमोडेट किया है वो सब चीज़ को जो चीज़ हमें डॉक्टर श्वेता ने बोली थी कि उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं। सो यहाँ का जो सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा जो चैलेंज हम लोगों को लगा था वो ये था कि ये जो जगह है ये 2 शॉप्स को मिला के बनाई है एंड प्लस बहुत सारे ना बीम्स रनिंग थे, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लेवल्स के ड्रॉप्स के बीम्स रनिंग। सो वो हमारे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग था क्योंकि हम लोग नहीं चाहते थे कि पूरा जब आप अंदर आओ तो आपका पूरा का पूरा ध्यान beams पे जाए because beams are on the top and then they look very heavy and the space looks smaller because the height gets reduced and plus they are very uneven. So that was the basic challenge that we faced in this place while designing. So what we did is that we divided the 600 square feet into different parts. First thing we did is that, so 2 cabins, one consultation area with 2 beds and this reception area, and then we had the gym part. This is how we actually divided the area, and one small little washroom, and we took out a space for pantry, which I'm going to take you through. So as you can see that this is actually the reception area where the receptionist can sit here, and it's like quite wide and open space. सब कुछ इसमें आ जाता है and plus it looks very very inviting. The color scheme that we thought here was black and white, which actually was the basic requirement of Dr. Shweta. She didn't want very jazzy colors and stuff, and plus उनके जो logo है वो logo में it is all black white and there is a tarka of orange which makes it more bubbly, as you can see in the logo. So that's her logo, and we have kept everything very basic white, and then a little bit of black wherever that was required. Now as you can see, as I mentioned also about the beams, so as you can see there is beam here, there is beam there, and then there is a beam there on, and also on the other side. And as you can see there are different levels here, beams के बहुत अलग अलग levels हैं। तो इनको अगर मैंने अभी आपको नहीं अगर बताती थी तो आपको पता भी नहीं लगता था कि यहाँ पे बीम्स हैं। ये बीम्स इसलिए नहीं दिख रही हैं क्योंकि जो हमने लाइटिंग और जो फॉल सीलिंग का जो डिजाइन किया है विद द प्रोफाइल लाइट रनिंग विच इज येलो लाइट, दी स्मॉल लाइट्स विच आर अगेन येलो लाइट्स एंड दीज बिग डाउन लाइटर्स विच आर वाइट लाइट्स। सो ये मिक्स एंड मैच जो हमने प्ले किया है उस चीज को, दैट इज वॉट इज टेकिंग ऑफ your attention from the running beams, and they are actually kind of making the beams completely negligible, non-existent, and that was the whole idea. Now as you see in the flooring, we have separated these 2 places, and this place from here this place is the gym area, which is, that's how you can see a lot of machines here. So we have this machine and the step up and the box for the box jump and whole lot of things here, lot of weights here kept here, the mats and everything is displayed here so that people can come and they can do their workouts. And because the space is very small, one reason, two is this wall is right opposite the main door. As you can see there, that side in the mirror itself, you can see that it's right opposite the main door. So बाहर की सीमा तो कुछ सीमा होती नहीं है, outside the nature is so beautiful and it's so unlimited. So वो जो limitless उसकी जो beauty है, that we wanted to get it inside the clinic, and that was the reason this whole mirror, the entire paneling has been done. Also it duplicates the space, तो उसका जो नेचर का बाहर का जो डेप्थ है वो डेप्थ पूरा अभी इसके अंदर आ गया है, जिसकी वजह से ये क्लिनिक अभी डबल दिखता है. तो 600 की बजाय इट लुक्स लाइक 1200 और 1500 स्क्वायर फीट. कोई अंदर आएगा तो उसको नहीं पता लगेगा कि ये 600 का क्लिनिक है. So that is what is the beauty that any mirror adds on to the space. Plus we have taken out a small niche here for the fridge and the microwave, and then we have this thing displayed here, and a lot of these bands which are displayed here. So ये एक niche हम लोगों ने बनाया है, and एक entry to one of the visiting डॉक्टर के लिए एक जो केबिन जो बनाया है वो यहाँ से उनके लिए एंट्री दे दिया है. एंड दिस इज आवर स्मॉल लिटिल पैंट्री. राइट नाउ इट्स ओपन, बट येस इट कैन बी क्लोज्ड विद द ब्लाइंड हियर, एंड देन इट बिकम सीमलेस. तो किसी को पता भी नहीं लगेगा कि यहाँ पे एक पैंट्री है. बट ये हमने एक पैंट्री निकाली किसी तरह से, तो इट वाज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट, इट वाज क्वाइट चैलेंजिंग, बट निकाली बिकॉज दैट वाज द रिक्वायरमेंट. छोटा सा एक अपना प्लेटफॉर्म मिला हमें यहाँ पे, एंड वी हैव द हॉट प्लेट एंड फ्यू सम स्टोरेज के लिए हमको थोड़ी सी जगह यहाँ पे मिल गई, एंड प्लस वी हैव द स्टोरेज हियर एज वेल. This is the space utilization. Plus now we have a small washroom here, and a very very small washroom because उनका वो requirement है. तो okay, so now let me take you through the cabins, and let's go inside and explore the area that we have very well planned and executed. Yes, please come. So this is one of the cabins, which is Dr. Shweta Rao's cabin, and so here the requirement was a small little consulting table, and also a bed, plus a little bit of storage, and of course the logo. And as you can see that I've been again and again saying कि छोटी जगह है तो रूम छोटे हैं. So what we did is that again we have kept it all white, single ceiling with the strip light, yellow strip light, and the down light are the big ones, those are the white ones, and the small ones are the yellow lights, so that there is a mix and match in order to add little bit of interest in terms of the levels of the lighting. So we have played with this hanging light over the table. Now what is very much interesting in this room is that this place was a wall. So this was a wall here which we broke open, and we have placed a glass here, a see-through glass, where there is a branding from the outside. It's like just next to the main road. So बाहर से branding लगा दिया है, और अंदर से there is a glass here which whenever she wants it we have used this vertical blind. तो उनको जब चाहिए तभी वो खोल सकते हैं, और जब भी चाहिए तो आप बंद भी कर सकते हो. तो उससे क्या होता है कि the opaqueness of the space we have dealt with it very smartly. तो इसमें बहुत बड़ा and open लगता है ना from here inside, because it's night now, so you can actually see that the vehicles moving from there, and थोड़ा depth हमको यहाँ पे मिलता है. So this is how this room has been planned, and here we have the storage, and as you can see that in all this, even in the storage we have used black and white, and you can see there's very seamless profile handle, a very very seamless profile handle which doesn't come on you. बाहर निकला हुआ नहीं है, तो उससे क्या होता है, ऐसे देखेंगे तो ऐसा लगेगा कि हैंडल ही नहीं है. तो आप इसको pull करके, and this is where her storage is, and then we have given her 3 drawers here, 3 drawers here we have given, and then she can display some of the items where related to her profession. And so this is about this particular room. And now I will take you to another room, which is the consulting room with the 2 beds. And this room is connected with this consulting room. So here we come to the consulting room. We have 2 beds here for comfort of consultation. We have highlighted or separated, I would say, the 2 beds with these rods here for the curtains. Okay, and then we have the storage this side. We have the cabinets for the storage and the open shelves there, and there is some storage at the bottom here, again maintaining the color scheme of black and white. This side we have another shelf, and also there is a mirror that's been put up in order to duplicate the space so that the space looks bigger. And again, as you can see, that there is a beam here on which the branding has been done so that the beam is like kind of nullified. Again, there is another beam running here. If you see the depth, there is a difference between the 2 beams depth. तो इन सब चीज़ को ध्यान में रख के हम लोगों ने सीलिंग एकदम प्लेन एंड सिंपल रखी है, और यहाँ पे हमने प्रोफाइल लाइट नहीं डाली है बिकॉज ये रूम का पर्पस बहुत अलग है. So we have only the downlighters, both the big ones and the small ones. And then we have this another consulting room here, which is for the guest doctor. All right. So now we have gone through the entire clinic, and we had fun while designing this clinic. बहुत सारे challenges थे, बहुत सारे ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग हुए, राइट फ्रॉम प्लानिंग से लेके एग्जीक्यूशन से लेके सिलेक्शन से लेके, एंड बहुत मज़ा आया विद श्वेता. एंड सो आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक Dr. Shweta Rao for giving us an opportunity to do up her place and be a part of her successful journey. We had also done her physiokinesis sports lab, which is at Manpada, around 2000 square feet space. So everyone, this is one of the brand which is go-to brand for physiotherapy concerns. So please do connect with Dr. Shweta Rao, and I'm 200% sure you will not be disappointed. And I hope you really liked the clinic. I would love to hear your comments on which part of the clinic did you like. Did you actually resonate with the concept, the colors, and the thought process of the clinic while when I was explaining, so you understood the clinic. And for more realistic content and the real-time interior designing of clinics, hospitals, commercial spaces, and residential spaces, please do like, comment, and share. Thank you so much, and actually thank you so much for giving your valuable time. Love you.